Hello friends, today we're going to make worksheets of sight words.
Sight words are commonly used words that kids recognize instantly without sounding them out. This makes the kid read faster and becomes fluent readers. In this video, we are going to show different techniques that you can use to help kids learn the sight words, and then we have prepared few worksheets for revising these words.
We make watches like these. We need 3 of them. One is this one is this one, and one is this one, which I'm reading right now. On it, one is written it and is, and on the other one and on. So there are so many ways of making sight words. We can wear these watches everywhere and learn these sight words. And look, we also made this. We can stick it on the wall. I want to do yummy mango. THIS. This. IOUU. off. For. FOR. NY my. AN. ARER. The last one, yes. INN. We can stick them anywhere so that when we come anywhere, we can learn some new sight words. Now we are going to see some worksheets.
So in this worksheet, we are going to learn this sight word. What is this? AND. And. So first thing is, here there are so many sight words written. So you have to find and circle them.
I already found it.
There are so many. You have to find all. Circle it. Find more and circle.
Starting with only A.
And. There's one more.
And then.
There's one more.
And this. And then.
Yes. Now here you have to write and here. Okay. Now write and. Okay. Now here the alphabets which come in and are written over here, but they are not in the correct order. So you have to write them here in correct order. Now next page. Now this is another sight word. BIG. Big. Okay, read it.
Egg. Big.
Big. Now this one is we have to color it. Okay.
With red.
Yes. You have to keep on saying the word and read it. Okay.
Big.
Say BIG. Big.
BIG. Big.
Huh?
IG. Big.
Big. Yes. Now here, like we did earlier, no? So find big. Where is big written? Then circle that.
All.
Yes. There are 2 big. Now here you have to trace big.
Big is so easy.
Okay. Now in down you have to write big. Okay, so in this page we have the sight word GOOD, good. Okay, say
GOOD, good.
Okay, now here we have to trace it first. Okay, good. Now here we have to write it. Good. Okay, now here you have to connect. You have to find the alphabets and connect in the order GOOD. Can you see which one is the correct one from here? Now where is O? O.
D.
Good. Now here we have to find word good.
Wait. This is good ka sight word and you're saying good for me.
Yes. Here you have to find good.
Like this.
Yes. There's one more good, okay? Fine.
There's so many goods.
There are two goods. Nice. Now here we have to read the sentence and finish it with the sight word, okay? So what it is written? Fluffy.
Fluffy is a
Good. Say good.
Good cat.
Cat. Yes.
Fluffy is a T. Good.
Yes.
Good cat.
Yes. Now what is this sentence? Read it.
Okay.
Prisha
Prisha is a good girl. Oh.
Okay, so now we are going to learn the sight word this. T-H-I-S. This. Say.
T-H-I-S this.
Yes. So you have to circle the butterflies which are having this. Which are the butterfly? Yes. And do you
This
see?
is yellow and blue.
You see any other butterfly?
Yeah, it's pink, my favorite color.
Yes. Good.
These two colors are my favorite color.
Okay, so now we have learned few sight words. Okay, so now we are going to read sentences which have all the sight words that we have read. Okay, so now let's read the first sentence. So what it is written, you can read it now. You know the sight words. Whatever it is written here, read it and then you tell the picture. So let's read. What is this?
It is a fish.
Good. T-H-I-S.
This pen is for you.
Good.
He is a good boy.
Nice.
The froggy is on a leaf.
Very nice. See, so now we can read sentences because we know our sight words.
Now this one.
Okay, so now in this one, so we have learned few sight words. So now we have to color the hut using the color given for the sight word. Okay, so now see what is the sight words color given here and find the sight word and do that color. So what is the first sight word here? First sight word here?
Anne is green.
Yes, so let's fill green color.
Where is Anne? Where is Anne? How are you? She brown. This is she is orange.
Chalo, next.
I is blue. It's a fun color. Yeah. Come here.
Next.
Fun color. Next is and it's red that we did in all the worksheet. And N is yellow.
Next. Okay, so now in this one, I'll help you in reading the sentences and you have to fill the blanks with the sight words. Okay. Now what are the sight words you can read? What is this?
I.
Then one sight word will come here. Then this one.
O.
Blue.
Blue.
Pen.
Pen.
So what is this sight word? Am will come or not?
No.
Then this one.
Has.
Has will come.
Yeah.
No, with I has doesn't come. Has comes with he or she. What is this?
This.
This. What is this?
It's with.
With. What is this?
Have.
H-A-V-E?
Have.
Have. So will have come here? I
have a pen. Have will come.
Yes, I have a blue pen. So write have there.
This one.
Yes. Okay. So now next sentence is T-H-E-Y is also a sight word. T-H-E-Y is they dash playing. What will come?
They are playing.
Yes. So where is R here? Yes, now write R here. A-R-E-R. Okay. Now this one S-H-E
She
dash
dash O
bat.
bat
She,
has
yes, has.
again has
Not have, that is have. Where is has? Up. H-A-S has. Yes, she has a bat. Dash is a red ball.
this is a red.
Yes.
Here's this.
Yes, right.
That we learned today, right?
Yes, we learned.
I dash a
We read this side word.
good
Boy.
boy. Am
Yes. So where is the
a
side
big
word?
boy.
I am a good boy. Where is the side word am?
And
Yes. Okay. This is the last sentence. The dog
dog
is
dash
mummy. The dog is
dog is a mama.
with. Where is the side word
Mama.
with? Yes, the dog is with mummy. Where is the dog? Yes, with. So right here. What
With
is the
what?
spelling of
Mama.
with? Yes. Okay, so in this one, we'll just read the sight words and find them from
This
the
one.
box.
Okay, first
Okay, what is that?
the
You already found it. Just make one big circle covering all the three. Yes, the. Nice. Now, what is this? And where is and? Find it. Yes. Okay, then this one.
it.
It.
It is so easy to find.
Okay, next is.
Next is this.
Where is? It's right there, just under your pen. Yes. Okay, now this one.
On.
On. Find on. Very good. You're so fast.
Off.
Off. Off is up, 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 up. Very good. Very nice. So these were the ways which we can use for learning sight words, and as the worksheets are reusable, that also helps, and doing again and again is what makes it easier to remember them. Do check out our other videos on phonics, numbers and EVS.